Law Minister. I welcome him. He's also here to welcome our distinguished guest, Mr. Philip Ramos. So, to start with the Mr. Ali Imran Jaffrey, Secretary General of Supreme Court Bar Association, is also here. We welcome him. Although it is not a political meeting, the delegates of APPAC, to whom majority of whom I personally know, whenever I visit America, they always try to sit me on a hot seat and answer a question session, which always took very long. This shows their concern about Pakistan. I personally know it that APPAC 2 years back done a lot for flood relief in Pakistan, and now in Janawala, the most of the Christian families have been suffered a lot due to a mob, and in this visit, they are going to construct some churches and houses. I also appreciate the efforts made by the APPAC on different occasions. And it's also worth mentioning here that APPAC also concerned the Pakistanis living in USA. That too is a very great and historic job done by them. So keep up on and going on this your work. Pakistani people should know that APPAC is doing for Pakistan, Pakistani people, and the people, Pakistani people living in USA. We again appreciate the efforts made by all of you, and once again thank you very much, Mr. Philip Ramos, Deputy Speaker, New York State Assembly, to be here.
From US, the Pakistani friends, and especially Mr. Pasha and Mr. Rashid. Thank you so much for providing us this opportunity to meet our friends and the wonderful guest here. On behalf of Pakistan Bar Council, since I belong to this body, I've been here since 2010, serving this institution in different capacities. That was a short stay there in the Parliament as a Minister for Law and Justice. I'm back again. I'm supposed to appear before actually a full bench, so I was in a hurry. Mr. Pasha told me about this event. It's a great honor to meet all of you, and we look forward seeing each other quite frequently. And please let us know if we could be of any help. As Mr. Pasha just referred to the Jadawala incidents. Of course, it's very heart-wrenching. It's unfortunate. We always try, especially here at the bar level, that we should try to create a harmonious environment in the country where all communities live together peacefully. Yes, there are issues in this part of world, but I think debating upon these, pondering into issues, trying to reach to the root cause, and then looking for some way out or way forward. I think this is the best way to resolve issues and to avoid such kind of incidents, which unfortunately happened in Janamala. I again welcome our distinguished guest. We belong to, in a way, another family from the Parliament side. I was supposed to see you in the upper house. I believe you'll be going there. So we'll meet again, inshallah. I'll be saving time for others. Congratulations, Mr. Shaukat and his team.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Mr. Phil Ramos, and the Chairman, Executive Committee, Mr. Hassanullah Pasha. Of course, I'm sorry, the Vice Chairman of the Pakistan Bar Council, and the honorable members of the Pakistan Bar Council, my newly elected secretary and Usama, of course, and our friends from the APPAC. It's an honor to have you here, sir. And for me, it was a surprise because it's my first time here. And I was told that such a illuminous delegation is visiting us. So I took this opportunity, and I'm grateful to Usama and to the Pakistan Bar Council for providing me such an opportunity. Mr. Phil, it's an honor to have you here, sir. And the purpose of your visit is absolutely encouraging. It will be of great help if Punjab and Sindh are declared as sister states for with New York. Of course, it will help us go further. And as far as the Pakistan Bar Council is concerned, of course, they have expressed their offer, but Supreme Court Bar Association, being the representative Apex Bar Association, also extends to you and to APPAC all the help that we can offer and the assistance that we can provide. And the idea of APPAC is certainly very intriguing, and it is good that the Pakistani community abroad is worried and is looking into the affairs of our country. That, of course, will go a long way. And I really want you to interact more with the Supreme Court Bar Association and the Pakistan Bar Council so that we can work in harmony with each other and make effort to provide more harmonious and more congenial living conditions in this country. And once again, I've been told that you are making all kinds of efforts for the public here in Pakistan. Thank you very much for the efforts undertaken. And Mr. Phil, it was an absolute pleasure to see you here, sir. And I look forward to have further interaction with you in life. All the best to you, sir. And thank you, sir. Grateful to all the visitors, and I hope that you are being looked after here in Pakistan very well. Grateful to all of you.
Philip and his team came here and honored this office of Pakistan Bar Council, which is an epic body of lawyers, regulatory authority, and discussed the bilateral relation between America and Pakistan government. And we appreciate your thought that you have discussed, and we also expect that in future we will discuss bilateral relations with each other and go further. So, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We say in our own culture that good blessing starts to the end for good results. The APPAC, very briefly, I will tell you that we are here as a not-for-profit organization to facilitate between two governments, Government of Pakistan, Government of Punjab, Government of Sindh, and New York State. We are blessed that we have the Deputy Speaker, who is such a big leader, who has been elected by the people for years, again and again, and there is something definitely in this gentleman that he becomes on such a powerful position. Through him, we got very good connections to the upper level, not only to the New York State, but throughout the United States of America. But you see the people sitting here, they are throughout from Texas, from New York, and from other states. And we are trying to have something similar. If this template works well under the leadership of Phil Ramos, we will continue with the other states. And the states have nothing to do with the geopolitics. We only concentrate on which the Honorable Deputy Speaker will elaborate on the education, on the medical healthcare, on economic development between the states, and that will bring a lot of dollars to our motherland. Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Ejaz साहब आपसे announce करेंगे.
Dr. Ejaz, can you join us? Now I request Dr.
सिंधी सिस्टर बन रहे हैं ना.